It says, be still and know
Tithula wazi
that He's God.
ukuthi unguNkulunkulu.
We are in a season
Sisesimeni
where
lapho
anything that cannot be still,
lapho yonke into engakwazi ukuthula
it will be removed.
izosuswa.
We are in a season where you have to know how to be
Sisendaweni
still.
lapho wazi khona ukuthi kunjani
To be
ukuthula.
still, it means
Ukuthula
to be able to delight in Him.
kusho ukuthi ukwazi ukuhlala kuye.
You cannot be still
Angeke ukwazi ukuthula
and fail to delight in Him.
bese uhluleka ukuhlala kuye.
Delighting in Him,
Ukuhlala kuye
meaning closing your ears
kusho ukuthi ukuvala izindlebe
from
zakho
every noise that is happening
kuyo
out
yonke
there.
imisindo eyenzekalayo
We are in that
ngaphandle.
season
Sikuleso
where
simo
Satan will try to move,
lapho sathana zama
people
ukunyakazisa
out of
khona
position.
abantu abasusa ezindaweni
but you
zabo.
have to be still and know
Wena udinga ukuthi uthule
that He
wazi
is God.
ukuthi unguNkulunkulu.
That He is
Ukuthi unguNkulunkulu.
God. If you delight in Him
Uma nje uhlala kuye
and He delights in you,
naye ahlala kuwe.
there is no room for men's plans in His
Lamacebo
heart.
wabantu enhlizweni yakho.
Meaning every plan that you have in your heart,
Kusho ukuthi lonke icebo onalo
it's no
enhlizweni
longer
yakho
a man's plan
akusasi icebo labantu.
as long as one delights in the Lord.
Uma nje umunye ahlala enkosini.
Delighting in Him
Ukuhlala kuye
saves you
kuyakusindisa
from beginning things in your heart.
ukuthi uqale izinto enhlizweni
From
yakho.
beginning things in your.
Ekuthini
in your
ungaqala
heart.
izinto enhlizweni yakho.
If you delight in Him,
Uma uhlala kuye
it's no longer going to be your plans.
akusazi oba amacebo wakho
But
noma
it will be
inhlelo
the Lord's
zakho.
plans.
Kodwa kuyoba yicebo
Psalms
likaNkulunkulu
37, it says He will
Psalm
give
37.
you your heart
ukuthi
desires.
uzokunikeza lokho okufisayo.
But if it says delight in Him,
Kodwa kokuqala uthi hlala
meaning you
kuye
can't have what your heart desires without
Angeke
first delighting in
ube
Him.
nazo lezi zinto ozifisayo ngaphandle kokuthi wena uhlale
The
kuye.
principle there is to
Umgomo
delight,
ukuthi wena
to
uhlale kuye.
delight in Him,
Uhlale nje
to
kuye.
remain in Him.
Uhlalisise
Meaning
kuye.
anything that
Kusho noma
plans
yini.
outside delighting,
Oyihlelayo ngaphandle kokuhlala kuye
it becomes evil in the presence of God.
seyiba ububi ebukhoneni
It can
bakaNkulunkulu.
harm you,
Izokulimaza.
it can destroy you.
Ingakubhubhisa.
But as long as you delight in Him
Kodwa nje uma uhlala kuye
and Him delighting in
naye
you,
ahlale kuwe.
no, noma yini uyihalelayo uNkulunkulu uyabona angeke imkhiphe. But now uyihalela athi uyabheka izomkhipha, it becomes evil.
Seyiba ububi.
Now it becomes a man's plan
Manje ke sekuba yisu nje
that will destroy a man.
eliyobhubhisa umuntu.
That will destroy,
Eliyobhubhisa umuntu.
meaning God fails to prosper you
uNkulunkulu uyahluleka ukuthi
or
aqhubekise
to bless you.
noma
He
kubusise.
must resist your plans
Manje ke sekufanele akwaleke
because you are not
emaceleni wakho.
delighting in Him.
Ngoba bongakuhlalanga
You are
kuye.
not delighting in.
Awuhlalanga kuye.
Okay, let's touch Psalm 37.
Amahubo 37.
Say, I love you, Jesus.
Ngiyakuthanda Jesu.
Say, I love you, Lord.
Ngiyakuthanda Nkosi.
I want verse 4, but take it from verse 3 with Amplified Classic. Say, I love you, Jesus.
Thanda Jesu.
Say, I'm blessed above all.
Ibusekile ukudlula konke.
Let's go.
Psalms chapter 37 from verse 3 with Amplified Classic. Trust, lean on, rely on, and be confident
And be confident
Benesiqiniseko
in the Lord
in the Lord.
enkosini.
and do good.
And do good.
Bese wenza kahle.
So shall you dwell in the land and feed surely on his faithfulness.
And feed surely on His faithfulness.
Udle nasekuthembekeni kwakhe.
You also feed on God's faithfulness.
Uhondliwa nasekuthembekeni
Udla
kwaNkulunkulu.
from His faithfulness.
Ekuthembekeni
Let's
kwakhe.
go.
So shall you dwell in the land and feed surely on his faithfulness. And truly you shall be fed.
And surely you shall be fed. Eating
Nakanjani
from
nizodliwa?
God's faithfulness.
Ukudla ekuthembekeni
Meaning there's
kwaNkulunkulu.
no day where God can say, I'm not giving you anything.
Kusho ukuthi akukho ilanga lapho uNkulunkulu athi anginiki
Daily
lutho.
He feeds you
Nsuku zonke
through His
uyakondla
faithfulness.
ngokuthembeka
Because you
kwakhe.
delight on Him.
Ngoba uhlalile.
You delight on?
Uhlala kuye.
God can never be unfaithful.
Angeke ahlala ngathembeki uNkulunkulu.
God is faithful.
Uthembekile
And there are
uNkulunkulu.
people who have not reached such a level
Kunabantu
where they
abangakafinyelelanga
reap
lezi
from God's faithfulness.
lapho bakha khona
Reaping from
ekuthembekeni
God's
kuNkulunkulu.
faithfulness.
Ekuvuneni
Meaning
ekuthembekeni kuNkulunkulu.
even anything I think about
Kusho ukuthi yonke into
or
engicabanga
anything I
ngayo
plan
noma yini
must be able to
engiyihlelayo,
go and reap from God's
fanele
faithfulness.
ikwazi ihambe iyovuna ekuthembekeni
The moment I
kwaNkulunkulu.
plan I want to buy a car,
ngithi ngifuna ukuthenga
God
imoto
must be able to check my heart
uNkulunkulu fanele
and
akwazi
say,
ukuhlola
this
inhliziyo yami
person delights in me.
athi lo muntu uhleli
So he
kimi
must reap
manje kufanele
from my
avune
faithfulness.
avune
So if
ekuthembekeni
it's
kwami.
God's faithfulness,
uNkulunkulu
who
athembe
can challenge you from receiving a car?
ubani ke ongavaleli ukuthi uthole le
Who
moto
can challenge you from getting that job?
ubani okakuvalela ukuthi uthole lo
No, you are
msebenzi
eating from God's
cha
faithfulness.
udla ekuthembekeni
You are eating
kaNkulunkulu
from God's
udla
faithfulness.
ekuthembekeni kaNkulunkulu
And it says, surely you will be
uthi na
fed.
kanjani uyondliwa
Uthi uzowondliwa. Uzowondliwa yini? Faithfulness.
thembeka kwakhe
Let's go.
So shall you dwell in the land and feed surely on his faithfulness, and truly you shall be fed. Verse 4.
Listen to this now.
Delight yourself
Delight.
also.
hlalani
Delight
hlalani
yourself.
hlalani izithokozise
Delight your.
hlala
Meaning,
uzithokozise
if you don't delight,
uma ungahlala uthokoza
it's impossible to feed from God's faithfulness.
akwenzeki ukuthi udle
Because you can
ekuthembekeni
feed from Him and
Ngoba
become
ungadla
unfaithful
bese ungathembeki
and forget what God has given you.
bese uyakhohlwa ukuthi
And
uNkulunkulu
forget what God has.
bese uyakhohlwa lo
Given
uNkulunkulu
you.
akunikeze
Let's go.
yona.
Delight yourself also in the Lord, and he will give you the desires.
Yes, what I mentioned. Uyabona ukuthi inhliziyo yakho ayinaqala ukuthi uhalela ini. But uNkulunkulu ubheka one thing. Do you delight?
uhleli na
Ask your neighbor, say, do you delight?
ingabe uhleli na
Because in your heart,
ngoba enhlizweni yakho
ungaplana into kanti busy yakeep. You understand? Yakeep, it's taking you out of God's presence.
Iyakhipha
That's why
ebukhweni
some
bakaNkulunkulu.
people, they come to church,
abanye abantu bezinkonzo
they want the car, they want the job, they
bafuna
get prayed for.
umsebenzi, bakhuleka.
But after they receive,
Emva kokuthi
look at them, you'll see
babheke
unfaithfulness.
ungathembeki
Unfaithful?
ungathembeki
Now they forget about their God.
sebeyakhohlwa ngoNkulunkulu wabo
Bakhohliwe ukuthi uNkulunkulu bayenzele umusa wathembeka bona bangathembeki. Now what do? They continue not delighting in God.
bayaqhubeka bangahlali ke kuNkulunkulu
Bayahamba. Now the moment they do that, what happens?
xa benza lokho
Fana nokudla imana uyistore iyabola. Uthethe isibusiso uhambe naso sizobola. Uyosibuyisela kubani? Uyotshela ubani ukuthi nayi into senenkinga. Yeah? Uyobuyela kubani uthi baba nayi phela lento seyangixaka. So umshiyila ngisho. So uyokhala kubani? Meaning you remain alone.
usho ukuthi sowedwa
Now what's going to happen? The more you encounter problems,
uma uhlangabezana
challenges,
izingcinana
confusion comes.
kuyeza ukudideka nokuhlangahlangana
Sorrow comes.
izinsizi
Pain comes.
ubuhlungu
And what do you do now?
wenzani-ke
You
manje?
forget that God is
Uyakhohlwa.
faithful. Uthini?
uNkulunkulu uthembekile.
uNkulunkulu ungijiyele. Because you never delighted on Him.
ngoba vele zange uhlale kuye
If you delight in Him,
uma uhlala kuye
it's remaining in Him.
ukuhlala nje uhlala
Everything you desire,
yonke into
it cannot be evil in the presence of
angeke
God.
nje ibe yimbi
It
ebukhoneni
cannot be
kaNkulunkulu.
evil.
angeke ibe yimbi
So
ebukhoneni
people,
kaNkulunkulu.
okay, let's go. We'll go there.
Delight yourself also in the Lord, and he will give you the desires.
Uyabona awuceli. Awuthandazi. Ngenhliziyo
Inhliziyo.
uyaplana, uyahalela, uNkulunkulu uyakunika, ungavulanga umlomo. When uyathandaza ngobe why? Awuhlalanga. Ugcina sothembe ini? Ukuthandaza, but inhliziyo ayikahlalanga kuNkulunkulu. Inhliziyo ikude noNkulunkulu. But umlomo wenzani? Matthew 15. These people are close to me with their lips,
Nabantu baseduze
but they are far. Their hearts
Kodwa
are not delighting on Him.
inhliziyo zabo
But the
azifanga
lips
kuye, kodwa izindebe
are close,
ziduze naye
but their hearts are far.
kodwa inhliziyo zikude